How would you like to jump on a private Zoom call with me and Jordan Belfort, the Wolf of Wall Street? Well, it's happening tonight at 6 p.m. Jordan and I are going to be talking about this incredible event we're hosting in London, right here at the world headquarters of London Real. It's a 2-day event, June 25th to 26th, where we're going to have a small group of people here, 10-person mastermind, and we're going to be going deep on all things crypto, decentralized finance, NFTs, blockchain gaming, and more. And tonight, we're going to be talking about specifics of that event, and it's a great way to hang out with me and Jordan and ask us some questions, etc. So if you want to be a part of it, join me at 6 p.m. London time, which is 1 p.m. Eastern time, and the link is londonreal.tv/Wolf Zoom. That's WOLFZOOM. Be on the call. It'll be short and sweet. Be there right at 6 p.m. UK time. It'll be me and Jordan Belfort hanging out, answering your questions, and talking about this amazing event. And if you want to learn more about the event, it's londonreal.tv/Wolf. Be here. It's going to be a game-changing experience. It's really going to 10x your journey when it comes to crypto and blockchain. And again, we're going to show you everything that we see in our network, behind the scenes, deal flow, etc. So look forward to seeing you on that call tonight.